Upgrading to a new Garmin? Want to transfer your workout, settings and routes without losing anything? In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly transfer data from your old Garmin to a new one. Let's get started. You can easily do it through the Garmin Connect Cloud Sync. For this, you just have to ensure that both your old and new Garmin devices are paired with the same Garmin Connect account. Garmin Connect stores your data in the cloud, so when you pair your new device, it'll automatically sync your activities, settings and more. If your Garmin watch is not transferring data, then here are a few things to keep in mind. If you're experiencing syncing delays, be patient. Sometimes it just takes a few extra minutes for all the data to appear, especially with Garmin Connect Cloud Sync. If you're not seeing your data, ensure that both your old and new device are connected to the internet and that the Garmin app is up to date. You can also try to restart your Garmin watch to fix any glitch that might cause this issue. Remember, not all your data types are transferred between different Garmin models, so verify if your new device supports everything that you're trying to sync. However, if nothing seems to work for you, then it'd be wise to reach out to Garmin support for further assistance. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. If you found it informative, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wayhoric for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.